Gansta Bling. I'm on Tech 2018 here.
Ultimate straight team.
Gansta Bling representing it.
I hear that.
People dead when we ride you. Boy head bust, copper fly you. I mean I miss the target. Aim for heart, make a young dog bite you. Tough up your face, rifle shot, bored. Headless body pan the ground, copper floor red. The pussy them attack off them out and them no say. Top shot a mad at it, that a the shoot away. 5150, Times Square, me ready for end them. Jack code devil whisper for yell them. Cause some pussy we could write a sentence. Come and tell me them bad that a one sense. Since no bad then pussy, run up pave it from them. Gansta Bling is just a real youth, you know what I mean? Authentic, original youth, you know what I mean? Loyal with it, set speed. Which part we born, which part we grow. It's like a learning process, you know what I mean? Blend the Vandala side, you know the jaggy moves, you know, it's smart and it's straight and wise. You see me? So it's a big up all our real youths them around seeing me. I don't know, so our real people stay real. Dallas side, blend the Vandala side, see them. Ultimate street team. Mad at it. Tell some pussy that we fuck around because the guns them never there for safety. One in them face cause them feisty. Mad at it.
Ride by, walk by, drive by, anyone ever.
Yo, what influenced your style of music?
You know my style of music was influenced by the way I grew, you know what I mean? The way I grew and the type of people I grew around. Yeah, for real.
A lot of people go speculate that the name Gansta Bling associated with badness. So you know them going to expect a certain type of music from you. So I'm going to ask you a question. How only gangster music you do?
You know a lot of people most times, daily, go through the struggles, go through the fight. A lot of people go through family things, a lot of people go through all type of things. So we just sing about everything, most of everything, you know what I mean? We have to burn and we have to conceal, you see me? Yeah, straight. I mean I tell you them, don't run down no gun, don't run down no badness. Get the girls them active, get the money up, get the accounts them counting, you know what I mean? Dollars.
So you have song for the girls them?
Back shot for your tight hole. Nobody touch the bed, me no like floor. Bend over, cock up, make me strike goal. Me love when you brace and me a push. Stiff long wood in your tight hole. Make you feel that when the night cold. Your good pum pum got me hooked to you. Me love when you brace, girl. Because in a season for flexible waist. Broke out and bend over, set for me babes. Wine pon the body, not dead for the grave. Stiff in your belly, make you tell me fi wait. Me love when you sit down pon body and wine. When you back it up, girl, hell me serious. Good pussy, good body, devilish ways. Little underneath, me touching her. Oh my man, the girl them love Gansta Bling.
How long now since you've been working with Ultimate Street Team Production?
I've been around the thing from a good while, but since 2016, yes, I link on it, you know what I mean? Yeah, Naturalus are really become Naturalus even when we're dead now. Naturalus gave the link with Ultimate Street Team. And from there, so, the thing just kick off, you know what I mean? Ultimate Street Team, the real team. Pow!
What you have to say to your fans them?
Well, first and foremost, big up the fans them, you know what I mean? Take the time out to listen to the music them. Just go and listen to Gansta Bling and promote the music, you know what I mean? And stay focused. And remember, all of you have a good life to live. You see me? Everybody have somewhere going in life. Never tell yourself so you can't.
Which part of your fans them can find up on social media?
You know what I mean? Instagram, Gansta Bling Music. Facebook, Gansta Bling. Connect with the team. On YouTube, Gansta Bling. I mean, it's a big up Akam Entertainment, you know what I mean? Show about the music, them and make people hear them, make it reach all over the world.
Which song would you say is your most popular song up to date?
Well, my most popular song up to date, Wave It Pan Them, I go on good. You know what I mean? Hot so far. Of all songs, them No Caution, No Mercy. Check it out, right there, son. We get a lot of fight, still we make it out alive. We live to see the same dirty fuck of them. We say me not go rise or envy, but we make it out alive. Yeah, yes, we make it out alive. Give thanks to the Lord we pray, cause one time gone man search can't find, but me know what you want with the dirt for mine. Aim for achieve, so me stay on the grind. Man, I stay positive, cause them can't stop me time. Get a man born, so me know about code. Me street smart, so me know about road. And daily challenges, poverty arose. Coulda dead already, 2 packs sell out now. You know me survive, me coulda dead, but now you know. Me make it out alive, yeah. Yes, me make it out alive. Give thanks to the Lord we pray, cause one time gone. Tough moving, I mean, mad at it. Baby girl, see you. Girl, you sober, how you are go answer? At the Hennessy, turn your answer. How are the vibes that me got in a me song? When you hear Gansta Bling, you a scream on the jana. At the high grade, make your head spin. Make you a ball out, non-stop sexing. You just want fuck. That you tell Bling, right now, right, you sucker, you're temping. No afraid for broke out. Wine like you in a the go-go club.
Boy, finally, Gansta Bling running on it.
Oh, let me take them a hot copper. Kill a man, a top shotter. Drug lords, if you kill them now, so me mad at it. Mac 90 spit like calibrate, man, and drip blood like raindrop. Them make it start every rage I bring out.
What set you apart from other artists?
Being able to do music in different ways, different style, different genre of music, you know what I mean? That separates me because a lot of artists only can sing about one topic and you don't know that already. You see me? But Gansta Bling, versatile, you know what I mean? Ultimate street team, full of versatility. So you can look out for great music from Gansta Bling, you know what I mean? Some positive vibe, some bad vibe too as well, you know what I mean? And some thing for the girl and wind up on, you know what I mean? All those kind of music, upliftment, elevating, best way you can breathe, you know what I mean? Not only negative music, because negative music have a great impact, yes, but it's not gonna know, you know what I mean? And we are pretty cheddar, we are pretty rise. We just not do it because of likes, we not do it because of fame. Do it for the love. One time gone, man, broke can't afford. Fi buy what me want that you call rough road. But me never worry about struggles when me face, cause what goes around comes right back around. People fuck up, so just fuck what them think. Me woulda never rise if I feed them alone.